I've just been dragged into a big pool of water. That's lovely and clean. She says, I can fix that. Oh, he's even getting involved. He's saying this was pretty cool. I like all this water. Get nice and deep. I can get really deep. I also can get really deep. She's almost floating. Get that tummy wet. Nice and clean, as you can see. See the bottom. And it's a muddy bottom. Oh wow, he's really getting into it. Well, that lovely fresh rain come along. Hey? Oh, that lovely fresh rain. She says, I want to go in this side too. Oh, look, a little critters in there. Lots of little fish. I don't know if you see that. They've all scattered. There's some over there. She says, there's little fish in here. Hey, little fish. She's not interested in the little fish. There's also lots of muzzies. Oh, look how cloudy and dirty that water is now. Good job. We've done what we needed to do. Dirty up the nice clean water. He's got a muddy foot too. Yeah, it was a bit muddy and soft on the edges. He must have stepped on it in it, trying to get out. Anyway, we're just going home. Then our walk for the evening. I'll see you later.